That's Pancho. So we have Queen, who's arrived with her cousin, Prima. Prima is very old, guys. Come on, Queenie. Queen is King's partner. So only the two girls have come today. We have Rain and Bowie. And then we have, it's not Petunia, guys, it's some other cockatoo that comes here. And we have Priscilla. Priscilla, Javi, and the baby. Where's Javi? Yeah, there. That's the rehabilitated rainbow. And this is Elvis, right here, whose partner was run over by a car, and he comes to be next to her gravesite, which is there. Still remembers his partner.